Okay. Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Okay,
Evening,
so
ma'am.
today,
Good evening,
good
ma'am.
evening, good
Good evening.
evening. So today, we are going to start with again direct indirect speech, that is conversions of interrogative sentences. Okay, basic fundamentals, you know how we used to change a direct sentence into indirect sentence. Today particularly we are going to do interrogative sentences. So first of all, the first rule is that we are not going to use a conjunction in this. In interrogative sentences, no conjunction is used. Okay? जैसे हम करते हैं, I'll be bilingual because some students एकदम से they can't follow, so teacher has to be bilingual, right? Like I'm saying one sentence, Sumedha, kindly make it into indirect speech. They said, comma inverted comma, we came home late last night. Yes, Sumedha, can you hear me? Sakshi, aap karo.
They said that they came home the previous night.
No, but it is came, so it had to be changed into
They had come home
yes.
previous night.
Now, हाँ. So दोबारा कीजिए इसको. Once again, I want.
They said that they had come home previous night.
They had come home the previous
Previous
night.
night.
ठीक है? So be careful of your that. Okay, fine. Acha, now first thing is अब said and told we have in our indirect speech. In our reporting, if our reporting verb is in said or asked, we will change into inquired, asked, demanded. We can change it. हमारा said and told है, we can change it into asked, inquired, demanded. Okay, first rule. Second rule, we are going to have WH family, ठीक है, जिसमें we are not going to use any conjunction. Thirdly, if we are using, if we have the words like auxiliary verbs, if the sentence is starting with is, was, do, has, have, had, can, may, will, shall, etc., then we will use if or whether. ठीक है? सृष्टि समझ आया बेटा? अगर हमारे पास
Yes, ma'am.
WH फैमिली है तो हम if और whether का यूज नहीं कर रहे, but if we have words auxiliary verbs like is से sentence start हो रहा है, was, do, has, have, had से, so हम if and whether का यूज करेंगे. Okay, so first of all today we will take WH family. ठीक है? Now we have questions like starting from who, whom, what, which, when, where, why, and exception how. Okay? Repeat करेंगे. Who's going to repeat? Let's see. Divyansh, you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, just repeat WH family words.
Who, what, why, whom, when, where.
Okay, what, whom, ठीक है? So, and exception we have how also. Okay. So that is of course there. Okay. So now suppose our sentence is he said to me, comma inverted commas. Listen carefully, okay? He said to me, comma inverted commas, where are you going? It is, he said to me, comma inverted commas, where are you going? So now we will change it into he asked me where I was going. So with this example, again one thing is clear, कि we have interchanged our subject with our we have interchanged the subject like where and are you going, we have changed it into where I was going. So subject को हमने interchange कर दिया. Okay. So one more sentence I am giving. दिव्यांश आप इसको करना. He said to me, comma inverted commas, where are your books?
He said to me, he asked me where my books were.
Why? Good. So he asked me where my books were. Okay. So we have changed it. Now again one more sentence. He said to her, comma inverted comma, where do you live? Okay. So Medha, you are there. Can you hear me? Ronak, you are there? Okay. Sakshi, आप करो इसको. Just write it down. He said
He
to her.
asked her.
Hmm.
He said to. मैम sentence बोलूं?
हाँ नहीं आप सिर्फ आंसर बोलो.
Okay, ma'am. He asked, where did she lived?
No.
Where she did
दिव्यांश
live?
आप करो. No. Did का use. Why are you using did? You just have to change your verb into past tense. क्योंकि where do you live? This is a sentence of a present tense. तो past tense में करना है आपने.
Where do
Yes,
I
दिव्यांश
live?
you try.
He asked
Do
her,
क्यों यूज कर रहे हो साक्षी? Do नहीं यूज करना. दिव्यांश आप
Ma'am,
करो.
sorry.
I am repeating the sentence. He said to her, comma inverted commas, where do you live?
He asked her where she lived.
Yeah, he asked her where she lived because हमारे पास live verb है और हमारे को live verb को past tense में करना था. That was it. And moreover, interrogative sentence has to be changed into an assertive form. That is a positive sentence. Okay. So अगर आप do लगाओगे तो again it will become an interrogative. Okay. चलिए next example again we are taking. I said to him, comma inverted comma, what is your name? सृष्टि आप करोगे?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ पहले सेंटेंस लिख लो. I said to him, comma inverted comma, what is your name? Yes, Shrishti, can I have the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, मैम इसका होगा. मैम I asked to him what was his name.
No, was और उसको name को interchange करो.
Can I correct?
हाँ करो. चलो साक्षी आप करेक्ट करो इसको.
Ma'am Sumedha, I asked him what his name was.
Okay, Sumedha is there. Okay, Sumedha इसका हो गया आंसर. I asked him what his name was. सृष्टि आपने उसको इंटरचेंज करना है. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आ जाएगा बट इट्स ओके. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, another example we are having. He said to me, comma inverted commas, why did you strike me? First listen carefully. He said to me, comma inverted commas, why did you strike me? सुमेधा करो बेटा इसको.
He asked me why he striked me.
Ma'am, can I do it?
सुमेधा strike का past tense is struck.
Yes.
Ma'am, I करूं?
And we are did past tense है तो past tense will go into past perfect tense.
Perfect.
अब करो
Why
इसको.
he struck him.
Why
He
I
asked me.
had struck him. He asked me why
ठीक है.
I had struck him. उसने मुझसे पूछा कि मैंने उसको क्यों मारा. ओके, सो यू थोड़ा सा टेंस का ध्यान रखो, ठीक है. ओके. Okay, one more sentence. He said to her. Write it down, all of you. He said to her, comma, inverted comma, why do you read this book? Why do you read this book? Now again, this sentence is in present tense. So be careful. We don't have to use do. He said to her, comma, inverted commas, why do you read this book? Yes, who will answer now?
Ma'am, shall I?
Okay, Divyansh, answer karo.
He asked me why I had read that book.
No, it's simple present tense. It will go in simple past tense.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Why I read that book.
Okay, Sakshi, you try.
He asked her why I read that book.
Why she read that book? क्योंकि वो उसको हर को पूछ रहा है. तो
हाँ,
why
why she
she read that book. ठीक है, वो उसको पूछ रहा था. ठीक है. So
Okay.
जरा सा you have to pay attention where you are changing. हर को change कर रहे हैं तो she आ गया. Then read है, it's in present tense. We have to change it into past tense. तो वो read बन गया. ठीक है. He asked her why she read that book. Okay. So be little bit careful while changing. कोई बात नहीं, ये तो practice की चीज है बेटा. In one go you cannot come to know, but धीरे धीरे आता है ना? Okay. Now what say I am giving one more sentence. Okay. He said to his friend, comma, inverted comma, what can I do for you? He said to his friend, comma, inverted comma, what can I do for you? So can is going to change into could now. Okay. So helping verb को आपको change करेंगे इसमें with your subject he के साथ. So who's going to try?
Ma'am, please repeat them.
Repeat करो. Okay. He said to his friend, comma, inverted commas, what can I do for you? He asked his friend, आगे करो. Who will do?
What I
What
could do for him.
he could do. Divyan,
He could do.
what he could do for him. वो उसके लिए क्या कर सकता है? What he could do for him. Okay. So this goes like this. Okay. Now sentence with why. Okay. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, why does your uncle not help you? Why does your uncle not help you? He said to me, comma, inverted commas, why does your uncle not help you? Now does है verb, again present tense है, past tense में जाएगा. ठीक है. सुमेधा, कौन try करेगा? Or shall I give the answer?
Ma'am, just a second.
So how this sentence will change? He asked
Ma'am, can you please
me.
repeat?
You want to try?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the sentence?
Okay. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, why does your uncle not help you? Why does your uncle not help you? हाँ, अब करो.
He asked me why my uncle had not helped me.
Did not. Does है. It's in present tense, so it will go into
Did
past
not
tense.
help.
हाँ, why my uncle did not help me. Okay. Yes. Chale. Now let's go to the next step. Now we can have some sentences with has or have. Okay. Now in has or have, we have to use if or whether. Okay. While changing it, the rule is we have to use a conjunction if or whether. Right? So he said to me, comma, inverted commas, has he invited you to dinner? Kindly write down the sentence. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, has he invited you to dinner? So now we will change it. So now we know that the sentence is in
Past.
present perfect tense. So now we will change it into past perfect. जब change होगा तो past perfect में जाएगा. Okay. So Ronak, Sumedha, anyone of you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sumedha, you can try this.
Yes, ma'am. He asked me whether he had invited me to dinner.
Good. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा पेशेंटली करना है, बस और कुछ नहीं है, थोड़ा पेशेंस चाहिए while doing all this. ठीक है. So
मैम वेदर
he
और
said
इफ
to
दोनों
me,
यहाँ पे चलेंगे ना?
हाँ weather और if दोनों यूज हो सकते हैं. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे, he asked me if he had invited me to dinner. It could have been like that. Okay. So one more sentence I am giving. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, have you learnt to dance? Have you learnt to dance? So now to dance infinite आया है इसमें, तो infinite infinite के जैसे ही रहेगा. If और whether का use करो, sentence को change करो. So now it will be
He asked me
if
if I had learned to dance.
okay, if I had learned to dance.
Yeah.
ठीक है, sentence is correct. Okay. Another sentence I am giving. Now this is combination of two sentences. It is a combination of two sentences. The teacher said to Mohan. The teacher said to Mohan, comma, inverted commas, why are you wasting your time? Why are you wasting your time? Question mark. Again, continuation में sentence is there. Have you solved all the sums? Have you solved all the sums? Okay, so you have to do this in two parts. एक ही sentence में we have a combination of two sentences. So first sentence, Sakshi, you try. You're not audible, Sakshi. Divyansh, आप करो.
The teacher asked me
The teacher
why I
asked
had.
Mohan, why?
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दो. मैम
The teacher said to Mohan, comma, inverted commas, why are you wasting your time?
The teacher
This is
asked
first part.
Mohan
पहले हाँ, first do इतना सा हाँ, it's first part. हाँ.
why he was wasting his time.
Good. Why he was wasting his time? Okay. The teacher asked Mohan why he was wasting his time. जैसे मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ, दिव्यांश, why are you wasting your time? ठीक है. ऐसे ही teacher asked Mohan why he was wasting his time. Sumedha, next part आप करो.
Ma'am.
Sumedha, you're not
Yes,
there.
ma'am. I'm
Sakshi.
there.
हाँ, second part है बेटा इसका. Have you solved all the sums?
Ma'am,
Have
had
you
all the sums
solved?
by Mohan. नहीं, have Mohan
नहीं
solved?
नहीं बेटा, क्यों आप मोहन क्यों ला रहे हो? फर्स्ट पार्ट तो हमने बोल दिया ना. द टीचर्स आस्क्ड मोहन why he was wasting his time, and if he had solved all the sums, because मोहन हमने पहले ही ले आए हैं हम in the first part. ओके सुमिता,
मैम,
दोबारा से करें इस
मैंने
सेंटेंस को.
गलत लिखा था क्योंकि वो वॉइस
सेंटेंस को दो पार्ट्स में है. सो दो पार्ट्स को ज्वाइन करना है. फर्स्ट पार्ट जो है दैट इज फ्रॉम WH फैमिली. द सेकंड पार्ट में वी हैव टू यूज इफ एंड वेदर. ठीक है, सो वी विल ज्वाइन द सेंटेंस बाय कंजंक्शंस. और हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं कि फर्दर द टीचर फर्दर आस्क्ड, अलग से भी कर सकते हैं दोनों सेंटेंसेस को. ओके ओके, now our meeting has a time limit, so we have to go. I think the time limit is over. So two parts में था तो two parts में ही करना. ठीक है, further asked में. Okay, we can continue our lecture. अगर हमें दोबारा join करना है तो we can do that. Bharti, we can continue or we have to join again?
You can continue, ma'am. Time limit is not there.
अच्छा ठीक है, फिर good है, फिर तो हम कर सकते हैं. और okay okay, two parts वाला sentence समझ आया?
Yes.
अभी
Ma'am, मैं पूरा बोलूं?
one more
Yes,
sentence
ma'am.
I'm giving. ठीक है, अभी आप लिखो. सुमेधा, इसको लिखो जरा सेंटेंस को. He said to me, comma inverted comma. First part है. What is your name? Okay, first part है. He said to me, comma inverted comma. What is your name? Because he is asking me. And second question also he puts in, where do you come from? He said to me, comma inverted comma. What is your name? Question mark. Second part, where do you come from?
मैम मैं बोलूं?
अब हम फर्स्ट पार्ट सुमेधा दे, सेकंड पार्ट आप देना. सुमेधा फर्स्ट पार्ट आप दो.
Yes, ma'am. He asked me what my name was.
ओके, अब कंजंक्शन लगा देते हैं एंड बीच में. ओके, यस दिव्यांश, कैरी ऑन.
He and where I had come from.
नो, आई हैड कम क्यों? इट इज इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस.
अच्छा, where I came from.
यस, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है. सो व्हाई आर वी टेकिंग इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस? प्लीज टेंसेस का ध्यान रखें. वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिवाइज्ड आवर टेंसेस. टेंसेस का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखें. ओके, 2-3 examples more we'll take and then we will wind up. Okay, so okay, अब एक सेंटेंस दे रहे हैं आपको. He inquired, I said to her, comma inverted comma, what is the matter? ठीक है, अब इसमें हम inquired word यूज करना चाहते हैं. We want to use inquired. He said to her, comma inverted comma, what is the matter? Yes, try.
He asked her what the matter was.
Divyansh, I want to use inquired.
अच्छा,
So he inquired of her. आगे
inquired
सेंटेंस
her
ज्वाइन
what?
करो. हाँ,
He
he
inquired
inquired
what
of
the matter
her
was.
what the matter was. ठीक है, so we have interchanged, right? What the matter was. Okay, now I would like you to use again demanded. ठीक है, I'm giving you the sentence, you have to change it. I said to him, comma inverted comma, do you wish to become a lawyer? I said to him, comma inverted comma, do you wish to become a lawyer? So sentence starting, I demanded of him. I demanded of him. Now we will use if or whether.
If he wished to become one.
Okay, so कैसे आएगा?
I demanded of him if he wished to become a lawyer.
Okay, if he wished to lawyer, बिल्कुल ठीक है. ट्रैक पे जा रहे हैं. नाउ व्हेन वी विल प्रैक्टिस देन वी विल कम टू नो. इनिशियल सेंटेंसेस में हालांकि आई थिंक यू हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड वंस, स्टिल अभी ठीक से नहीं निकल कर आ रहे. ओके, 4 मार्क्स हैं ये हमारे बोर्ड के. सो वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट एंड बिकम प्रोफिशिएंट इन दिस, राइट? ओके, सृष्टि आप एक सेंटेंस करो बेटा. इजी सेंटेंस दे रही हूँ. ओके, थोड़ा सा कोशिश करो. ओके, फाइन. ओके, he said to me, Shrishti, he said to me, comma, inverted commas, where is your bag?
मैम 2 मिनट.
Where is your bag? करो सृष्टि.
यस मैम.
बोलो बेटा.
मैम 1 मिनट. मैम he asked me that where I had kept his bag.
नो बेटा, कहाँ पहुंच गई सृष्टि? कितनी सारी खिचड़ी बना दी. नॉट लाइक दैट. दिव्यांश आप करो.
हम एक बार रिपीट कर दो.
हाँ. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, where is your bag?
मैम इंक्वायर्ड यूज करना है.
नहीं, सिंपल करो. आस्क.
He asked me where my bag was.
ओके, सिंपल. सृष्टि सुना आपने? वेयर माय बैग वॉज. ठीक है, कंफ्यूज नहीं है. सिंपल करो उसको, राइट? ओके, वन मोर सेंटेंस आई एम पुटिंग अप नाउ. वन सेंटेंस. सृष्टि, साक्षी, सॉरी साक्षी, आप आंसर कर सकते हो बेटा. यू आर देयर. ओके, सुमेधा एंड दिव्यांश, वन सेंटेंस आई विल गिव यू, then we'll wind up the class. Okay. He said to his servant, comma, inverted commas, is tea ready? Subeda, answer me. He said to his servant, comma, inverted comma, is tea ready?
Okay. He asked his servant whether the tea was ready.
Okay. और if भी use कर सकते हैं, है ना? In case अगर. Okay. Divyansh, another sentence. Hari said to me. Hari said to me, comma, inverted commas, are you going there?
Hari asked me
Hari,
if I was going there.
very good. If I was going there. ठीक है. So now थोड़ा सा clear होगा mind में when you will make your own sentences, right? So for homework, what we can do is we can make 10 sentences again. WH family. Okay. And when we will over the class, you can just make 10 sentences, 10 examples, and send me. Divyansh, and this is not for recording. This is for real. Okay. Sumedha, Shrishti, Sakshi, you are listening? I think Sakshi is also not there. Okay. Yes, Bharti, we can wind up our class now.